The website that we'll be looking at today is clararentals.com. It's a holiday rentals website that we built for a client here in Portugal. Let's get started. So the website is clararentals.com, and simply it is a holiday rentals booking website. You can go onto the website and book apartments and villas around the Albufeira Lolé area in Algarve, Portugal. Now, our client had three objectives. The first is she wanted a platform, a website that was hers, that she could keep all the money instead of paying over the commission to the other platforms. Second, she wanted a website that was fully mobile responsive, so that whether somebody was using the website on a computer, a laptop, a tablet, or a phone, that it would look great and function really, really well. And the third, simplicity. She wanted the website to be very, very easy to use. A lot of her customers are of an older generation, sometimes not very technologically sound, and they struggle a bit with using technology or booking things online. So the website had to be really easy to navigate, use, and obviously make a booking. So here we've got the website. It is clean, it is clutter-free, it's neat. So on our homepage, you can quickly see a coupon code, view any apartments and villas that are under promotion, and we've got our complete list of apartments and villas right on the front page. Some little information here, just why they can trust us, how they can trust us, quick little links to navigate to some important information pages, and some contact information. So if we go into one of the listings, we can gather way more information about this apartment. So on here, we've got the title, we've got little shareable buttons over here, we've got gallery images that slide really nicely, and it looks great on a cell phone as well, or mobile phone. So photos of the area. All these images open up really nice and big in lightbox mode. And then we've got our check-in, check-out dates on the right-hand side here, which stays sticky on the page while you read the description, the address, location, activities. You can view a contact map, all the amenities of the area, of the unit, and some further information, as well as view the availability. And we can simply make a booking. So I want to check in and I want to go and stay there for a few days. Check the availability. Here it is, gives me a price straight away. I can confirm the reservation. And then from the booking page, all I need to do is just pre-fill these guests. So I can go and put my name in here, apply any coupon codes if I've got any, view the breakdown of the costs, and then just fill in the form and book now. Now, what happens is that this form goes straight to our client, to her email. She then confirms, she looks at the details of the guest, confirms whether she wants him to stay at her unit, and if it's a yes, we'll then manually handle the booking. It's the way she wants it. So right now it doesn't take payments online, although it can at the click of a button. As soon as she's ready to go there, we've already built the website to have that functionality. So it has the capability of receiving online payments via credit card or direct deposits or that sort of thing. But right now, she manually approves them, sends them an email with the banking details, client pays, easy as that. It looks great on a computer, looks great on a cell phone, and we're very happy with this website. If you are interested in visiting Algarve in Portugal, check out clararentals.com, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers for now.